Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by activating the card. Scratch gently, reveal the 16-character code. Open App Store or iTunes and confirm you're signed into the correct Apple ID. This ensures funds land in the right account. Tap Redeem and choose Camera Scan for speed, or enter the code manually if lighting is poor. Do this now so the balance updates immediately. Once confirmed, make sure your device shows the new credit at the top of your account page. Once the credit appears, find the app, song, or subscription you want and tap Buy or Get. Check the price against your balance so you know if extra payment is needed. If your balance is lower than the cost, add a secondary payment method to cover the remainder. The system charges your Apple ID balance first, then the card. For subscriptions, make sure Auto-Renew uses your Apple ID balance by reviewing payment settings. This prevents unexpected charges on your secondary card. To finish, confirm the purchase in Purchase History and save the receipt. This documents the balance reduction and clarifies refunds. If you need the credit on another device, sign into the same Apple ID and the balance follows you automatically. Restore purchases if an app doesn't show. If the code won't redeem, inspect for scratch damage, ensure the card matches your store region, and then contact Apple support with the receipt. This resolves most redemption errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.